Sorry. Erika Paiva, action. I am Erika Paiva, and I'm working for Filio, the business unit for animal nutrition and health, as a global program manager for ruminants. My career, it's a gradual transition, and I started as doing a medicine veterinary. After that, I passed for the marketing and for sales and for all the technical role for my expertise. When I started to work with sales, I saw that I need to increase my knowledge, and I did the MBA in marketing. That was primordial for my professional career. I joined Filio in 2015 as technical sales for ruminants in Brazil. And during this period, I work closely with the customers to understand their needs and to deliver the solution that give them the value to their business. During this period, we experienced a growth, and I had the opportunity to start to build a team. It's this time that I got the management knowledge to spread the information and have more people to work with me and to be closer to our customers and give the value for our product in Brazil. After 5 years, I had the opportunity to be the country manager in Brazil and working not only with ruminants but also with poultry, swine and aquaculture. In 2022, international mobility arose, and I had the opportunity to become a global program manager for ruminants. At this moment, I believe that the main role for this position, it was to transform the products that we have in programs to deliver, conform the Filio strategy, global strategy, in something that we can deliver for our customers to give a value in our products. As we work in more than 160 countries, it was interesting the way that we can transform the global communication in material that they can use in their regions. I believe that the most important thing is that I didn't stop, and now I had a new opportunity here in the headquarters to work with the compliance department. So I'm moving again for a new position, and it's a position that I can work with the sales team and the customers, but now not thinking about the technical support in the animal, but the technical support in their factories. We have different conditions in different regions, and the application of the product could be sometimes a little bit challenging. And for that, we have a team that is working on it, and I'm really happy to be part of this team. I believe that if you are looking for international mobility, if you are looking for evolution in your career, come join us, Lesaffre, because I believe that if you have dedication, if you have hard work and you are happy and have passion for that, you'll be part of a team that we can grow and the things happen.
Parfait. Merci.